Hey guys, welcome to Bunny Hop TV, and today we are going to be unboxing. The thing is, I've never had a lunchbox before, so this is going to be really interesting, and I'm really excited to show you guys what I'm going to get. But without further ado, let's hop to it. So, just for anyone who needs clarification, this is the treasure chest packed with Pokemon. It says on the side that it includes 6 booster packs, 3 foil cards, 1 cool Pokemon coin, 4 color sticker sheets, 1 mini portfolio, and 1 code card. So I'm just gonna get at it from the side right here. Holy Jiminy Christmas! Oh, my very first lunchbox. Whoa! I mean, I could just keep this also for other reasons. Just put that off to the side. Okay. I like the way this looks because it's also kind of shiny. It's got a shiny foil look to it. I love it. And then the sides obviously are just, Pokemon. This is the front. This is pretty fantastic. This is the other side. Okay, I'm going to open it up towards you so that we can all see together. Wow. Oh, I like this mini portfolio. That's so cute. Is it shiny though? No, it doesn't have a foil look like the back of the lunchbox. That's cool. Trying to make it so you guys can see, but fantastic. Loving it, loving it. Then it said it came with sticker sheets. Oh, that's so cool. So this whole thing right here, this whole design is a sticker. The Pokemon logo is not a sticker for right here, but this is also a sticker. Freaking cool. Love it. Um, this is also a sticker. Again, the logo at the very bottom is not, but everything else on the sheet is. Individually, this one and this one and this one. So that's pretty awesome. Okay, same thing. Pretty cool. I'm liking it. Liking what they're doing. Cool. For each one that I'm about to get. I'll probably keep this too. I'm looking for this coin. I'm really looking for this coin real quick. Ooh. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. So flippin' cool. Got me very own coin. Gonna keep it in my collection. Meowscarda, Quaquaval, and Skeledirge. Oh no, 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 no. Quaquaval. Quaquaval. Yeah, dope. I'm here for it. Well, so that one's the coins. Then I got, let's see. All right. We've got a Paradox Rift, a Obsidian Flames, a Paldea Evolved, Paradox Rift, Obsidian Flames, and Paldea Evolved also. But they're all completely different fronts. So I like it. Let me show you each one individually. From the first one to the last. I do really like all of the art that the Pokemon have ever had, just all art that's ever been a thing. I do like that foil color though. I'm really excited though to put all of this in my portfolio, so we'll see. Let's start unpacking these packs though. From the very first one, that's what we'll start with, is the very first one to the last. And I have been attuned to getting really valuable cards, seems like. Maybe we can do a little bit of trading. Could do that, whatchamacallit, trading Pokemon cards until you get one to like $200 that is worth $200. Alright, so we'll keep the individual scan cards. We're just going to keep those on the side. Actually, you know what? I'll put those in this little extra box area with my portfolio box, or my portfolio binder, if you will. I guess I'll probably keep the packs together with the cards for now. All right. I love this wiglet. This is beautiful. Hold on, let me hold this up for you. This is a beautiful little wiglet. It's very serene looking. Love it. The video doesn't actually do it justice. It's a very light blue and it's very pretty, but I guess I'll have to take pictures and post it to my Instagram. Ooh, and I've got some more shinies. Ooh, I've got a Wochin. I love that foil. That's so nice. The chemical. Yes. I always love the shinies and the foils. They're so pretty. I also got a foil ancient. Whoa, 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 whoa. Cool. Cool beans. I'm happy with what I'm getting already. So this was worth it. It was literally 29 bucks. So sue me. Please don't. But I got my own lunchbox now. Let's put the cards we've already opened back in the lunchbox. Might as well. I'll put it back in the pack that it was already in. And then I'm just gonna slide it in there like this. So it shouldn't open. So the seam, I'm putting the seam, when I close it back up, I'm putting the seam down. So that way it doesn't open back up in the lunchbox. Don't you fall over. Don't you insult me. Okay, next we're going to be doing this one. So glad you guys get to do this with me. I'm just going to open one more, and actually I'm going to open the Paldea and Evolved instead. Because I'm running out of time here. I'm running out of time. I'm trying to get the viewers their cards. Oh my goodness. Am I going to have to get at this with scissors? Okay, that works. So what I did is I literally just pulled the seam and it came open. So, no, I didn't want it to rip all the way off. No. Okay, now I'm going to put that other scan card back in there. Alright. Oh my gosh. He's so cute. He's just a cute little buddy. He's just trying to survive. He's so cute. I got a great ball. Cool, thanks. Ooh, I've never even heard of this one before either, but the Quoxley. He's so cute. Looks like he's definitely from an anime, for sure. I know all of these are from an anime, obviously, but it's called Pokemon. But my goodness. Yay! I got another Muscarda. Purdy. I got a Muscarda and a Muscarda EX. Holy cripes. Wow. Okay, so like I've got this one already, right? This one. But now I have this one also. Holy crap. It's getting real amped up in here, guys. I'm getting real excited. I'm getting so excited. That's pretty cool. And I got this Tinkatuff. I love a Tinkatuff. I should cosplay that. I should cosplay a Tinkatuff. That would be great. Either a Tinkatuff or the Quoxley for sure. I don't know. If they had this as a onesie, I would totally wear it. But anyway, we're running out of time. I'm going to put this back. Thank you guys so much for unboxing this with me. I can post more pictures of the rest of my stuff on Instagram or Discord for anything else that you guys have questions on or what else I got. Thank you guys so much for joining, and I'll see you next time. Bunny, bye.